Beetroot is a root vegetable. It is scientifically known as Beta vulgaris, and it belongs to the Chenopodiaceae plant family, which happens to be the same family as spinach. It is grown in many countries worldwide, and it is a common part of the staple diet in many communities. Both the leaves and root of beetroot may be eaten. It is also used as a coloring pigment for the manufacturing industry. Beetroot has many active compounds that offer several health benefits. Because of various nutritional benefits, it has been used for thousands of years. It is consumed raw by some people and also added to salads, soups, and pickles. And it is used as an ingredient in traditional systems of medicine in some cultures. Beetroot is a rich source of naturally occurring dietary nitrates, and these aid in improving blood flow and reducing blood pressure. And based on research conducted by Queen Mary University of London, it was suggested that drinking a glass of 250 milliliters of beetroot juice on average daily will reduce your blood pressure by 8/4 millimeters of mercury. Beetroot can also lower levels of bad LDL cholesterol in people with uncontrolled blood pressure. Beetroot may help protect against age-related cognitive decline, such as Alzheimer's disease and Parkinson's disease. One study even found that giving older adults a diet that is high in nitrates actually helped to increase blood flow to certain areas of the brain involved in executive functioning. Beetroot is naturally high in betalains and phytonutrients, which have powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. The beet greens contain lutein and zeaxanthin, which reduce the risk of macular degeneration and cataracts. Research shows that beetroot juice helped increase the levels of specific enzymes involved in detoxification. Beetroot is rich in water content and fiber. This will help you to stay fuller for longer and better hydrated. You'll end up curbing hunger pangs. Beetroot is also relatively low in calories, and it contains a decent amount of protein for a root vegetable. This makes it a healthy choice for someone trying to lose weight. The high fiber and water content of beetroot will also help you to have normal bowel movements by bulking up your stool, making it less likely for you to be constipated. Beetroot contains vitamin A, which helps maintain healthy mucous membranes of the skin and improves skin health. Including it in regular meals has been found to prevent skin cancer as well. To reap the benefits of beetroot, you can make beetroot a part of your regular diet and add it to your soups, your salads, and juices, raw or cooked. Excessive consumption of beetroot may cause your urine to appear pink. It could also lead to you developing kidney stones. Beetroot may also cause allergies, and it may aggravate gastrointestinal problems. It may also cause complications in pregnant women.